Dry erase board on a budget. I got this idea from someone on Instagram. Her account name is Mother Could. You can go check her out. She's got awesome ideas. So, basically what you need is a piece of cardboard. This is from a Make and Take pizza box. It's clean because, you know, the pizza was wrapped. Anyways, if you want to trim it down a little, you can, or, you know, make it even. Probably would work better for the kids. So basically you cover the whole piece of cardboard with the shipping tape, or you could use clear contact paper as well. That would work just as well. You can find this at any store like Target or Walmart. So then once you have it covered, you probably want to trim off the tape edges a little bit so you don't have all this excess tape dangling on the ends. Or you can even just fold the excess tape down to the other side. That works too. Alright, so my dry erase board's all ready to go. Let's try it out. I have my dry erase marker here. You can pick those up at the dollar store. Come in about 3 in a pack usually, I think. Let's try this out. And then let's try erasing it. Nice. So this is a cheap alternative if you don't want to spend the money on a whiteboard. This would be perfect to use if you're traveling in the car, or if you just don't want to spend much money. If you have some cardboard laying around, and there you go. You can do a lot of fun drawing on these. You can do shapes, practice your name. Of course, it doesn't have the same quality as a real whiteboard, but it's a good alternative. Let's erase it one more time. And it comes out pretty clean, just with the napkin here. Let me know if you try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.